Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, learn how to draw a boy wearing a stylish cap. Follow along as we break down the process into simple, easy to follow steps. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this tutorial will help you create a charming illustration of a boy with personality. So let's start it. Begin by sketching the outline of the boy's head. Start with a basic oval shape for the head and add a small circle at the top for the cap. Next, draw the boy's facial features. Add two dots for the eyes, a curved line for the nose, and a smiling mouth. Don't forget to add some eyebrows above the eye for expression. Now let's focus on the cap. Draw the brim of the cap by extending a curved line from the circle you drew earlier. Then add another curved line above it to create the top part of the cap. Add details of the cap such as stitching lines along the brim and any logos or design that you would like. Get creative with it. Once you are happy with the cap, refine the details of the boy's face and ears, and some hair peeking out from underneath the cap to give it a realistic touch. Finally, go over your drawing with darker lines to define the shapes and erase any guidelines that are no longer needed, and shading and highlighting to bring your drawing to life. And there you have it, a charming illustration of a boy wearing a stylish cap. Feel free to customize the colors and details to make the drawing your own. Thank you.